All right. There's some questions that came up with the hand sketch, so I want to clarify that. I want you to do a research. Tell me what rise over run is. In case you don't know what that is, um, it's usually calculated for steps. Okay, so when you're looking for rise over run, it's going to be dealing with something like for carpentry when they're deciding how to make the steps. So that's my hint for that. You're going to hand sketch the same part you did here in the chain dimension exercise. You hand sketch the same part. You hand sketch the dimensions on graph paper. And then also on that same paper, describe what rise over run is. Again, you'll have to Google search that. I want to see what you come up with before we discuss that. When must chain dimension be avoided? I'll give you a hint. When you did this exercise in the chain dimensioning, I had you answer some questions. So think about what you answered for question number 2 and reflect back on the video. You're going to do the same thing, another hand sketch, so 2 separate pieces of paper, and you're going to sketch the same thing you did on the stack dimension drawing. And when you watch that video, this here would be an answer to one of the questions. The 2 techniques are the 2 techniques we talked about. So those are the 2 techniques. I believe in the last video what I said is if you're not doing chain dimension, you're not doing stack dimension, you're just making a mess. So anything else besides chain dimensioning and stack dimensioning is just a flat out mess. Okay? I hope that clarifies some of the stuff with the hand sketch exercise for the chain versus stack.